So I'm looking at GU. Let me show you a couple of things. If you see, if we draw, let me just move this. But if we draw like a premium to discount from the previous week's high to the previous week's low, we can see some telltales from price. So yeah, let me just wanted to say this. Yesterday when I was doing my analysis, I wanted price to retrace back to these areas. Wanted price to retrace back to around these areas where the SMT is, take out the previous high, something. So like I was expecting price to Friday, this was Monday yesterday, so I expected the price to come close above that high, and then maybe take out the previous week's high before now coming down. But price doesn't necessarily have to do what I want it to do. So it ended up breaking down. See, this is the Friday's price low. It broke down, closed neatly above it. See, below it, sorry. So after price closed below it, what we can say right now is, so it's safe for me to assume today price will close lower that it has opened. It opened here. You can see the open is price opened today at 135.06. 135.06. I want it at least to trade up to 135.28, which will validate this order block. And then after validating the order block, and remember, we are not trading, we are not trading the SMT, we are trading basic structure, yeah? But that is just an entry model. So, you can see that clearly. And apart from that, also see, you see this candle here. Let me just type this SMT. You can see this is a swing high. It took out the lows here, weekly buy side it was taken. So I think we have potential. I want to see price trade back to around this zones. So it means that this is it, price engineering maybe some liquidity. So let's go like down to the 4H. I'm also looking at how price is reacting. So you can see so you see this, the price is at there. You can see that's a CB, sorry. That's a 4-hour CB. You can see price has perfectly tapped where price has perfectly tapped the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. So let me just name that. You can see clearly these are equal lows. From this last down candle, which will treat us as the order block. It was barely taken. Then let me take us back to the daily. So we'll delete that. Now my nini is changed. You can see also on the daily. So let me draw like the daily order block. Because I still believe price is very bullish. Still have some bullish momentum, but it has to retrace. Because on Monday last week, we saw this very heavy push up. See, this is Monday. Tuesday. Monday, typically it creates the low when price has somewhere to go. And you see the way it took out the previous, like these are very, there's like a lot of liquidity here. It can't just like take it like that and come back. So they're probably repricing it to pair their longs. They have gone short here. This smart money has gone short here. So they want to come and pair their shorts with longs and enter around this one. See the previous weekly low. So I expect to be buying around these areas. So I'm going to be selling to those areas.